Yo, starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is a McDonald's going 7.5 miles, but it's also leaving me somewhere I don't want to be, so probably more than that.
Good morning, we use mobile app today.
Here you are.
Thank you. Total for that one was $9. I'm still somewhere I don't want to be, so I'm not going to say that was even close to worth it. And it looks like we're heading right back to McDonald's. This one is going 2.5 miles.
Good morning, we use mobile app today.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. And that was a no tip. Very nice. Okay, let me pause everything and get out of here because I don't want to be here anymore. Should have done that last time. Total for that one was $2 and change. So bad. Well, never mind on that, I guess. Got the next order. This is McDonald's. I think we're going back to the same one. This one's $8 going 2 miles. Should be getting there within like a minute and a half-ish before the lobby opens. So hopefully they don't make me go inside.
Hello, I'll be in just 1 second. Welcome to McDonald's. We use mobile app today. Alrighty, my lobby is opened up, so I will have to just pull out, come inside to the lobby. Thank you.
It was not open 2 minutes ago, but had to wait for them to attend to me. And now I'm stuck in the drive-thru waiting for this person to get their food ahead of me. Like, that is 6 minutes wasted, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it does add up with every order. Still heading back into my zone, but we got the next orders. We've got Red Leaf Organic Coffee and McDonald's. These are going about 9 miles, which is a lot, but a lot of it is actually getting back into my zone, so meh, could be worse.
They're diagonal map.
Oh, those were actually really bad. Both of them tipped $1, so total for that was $13. Got the next one right away. This is Burger King going 3 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $9 and change. Next up is a McDonald's. This one is $7 going 3.5 miles. You know what? Never mind on that one. We're gonna do this instead. It doesn't sound better, but I can do it a lot faster. So this is a Muchas Gracias, $8 and change going 5.5 miles. There you go. Thank you. Next up is a Black Rock Coffee. This one is $7 going just under 4 miles.
Nice stop for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. Going right back to Black Rock Coffee for this. Well, for the first stop at least. We've got a stack going to 2 different people, 2 different restaurants. This is Black Rock Coffee and Starbucks going about 6.5 miles. Thank you.
Yeah.
You too. Total for those two was $15. Next order up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $11, going 5.5 miles, 3 items. Still on my way to the store, and they're giving me an add-on. This is $6, going like an extra half a mile, 2 items. This guy just ordered again $7, going an extra nothing, 2 items. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a McDonald's, I think it was. $12, going 6 miles. That was the longest I've had to wait in so long. I should have left, but the only reason I actually stayed was because the drop-off is like down the street. Time to go home. Current time is 9:34. Total will be on screen right now. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.